Good day everyone, you are welcome to another episode of our YouTube lesson. Uh, in the first episode, we look at the 7 laws of indices. That's from law 1 to law 7. So today we'll be taking examples on the first 2 laws of indices. That is, what are the likely problems that one can encounter when solving the first law and the second law of indices. Now, you will recall that I said in the previous video that law 1 states that x raised to power a times x raised to power b, that when they are having the same base as x, this is the base, this is the power, this is the base, this is the power, as they are having the same base like this, what you will simply do, you add the. So this is the first law of indices. When they are having the same base, you will add the 2 powers together, like I've simplified it, that will be a plus b. Subsequently, if they are not having the same base, like this, if they are not having the same base, that will be x times y raised to power a plus b, and that will be xy raised to power a plus b. Now let's take an example. Let's take example that relate to this. Example 1. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. Follow A. Number 1, we have 10 raised to power 5 times 10 raised to power 2. Now, looking at this example, you discover that it follows the first law of indices. Looking at this critically, what they have in common is the base. They are having 10 as their base. Likewise, this one is also having 10 as its base. So that means that when they are having the same, I'll just say 10 raised to power 5 plus 2, and my answer will be 10 raised to power 7. So let's now look at the one that doesn't have the same base now. Like we have 8a raised to power 3 times 4a raised to power 5. Now looking at this, it also follows the first law of indices. You see that they are not having the same base. This 8 and 4. So what you do, what does the law says when they are not having the same base? It means that you will multiply these 8 and 4 together. So we say 8 times 4 multiplied by, this one follows the first law. That will be a raised to power 3 plus 5. So 4 times 8 will give me 32a raised to power 8. So these are the likely problems that a student or someone can encounter while solving the first law of indices. But I just want to bring out examples, a related example to this. Then the second law, going to the second law, x raised to power a divided by x raised to power b. That will be x raised to power a minus b. Now, when they are not having the same base, you have x a divided by y b. So what you do is x divided by y raised to power a minus b. Now let's look at an example. E.g., now I have 10 raised to power 9 divided by 10 raised to power 6 as an example. Now if you look at this, you discover that they are having the same base. That will be 10, 9 minus 6, and my answer will be 10 raised to power 3. This is an example under the second law of indices, which is division law. Now, just like the law states that when they are having the same base, don't forget x is the base, a is the power. X is the base, a is the power. So when they are having the same base, what you simply do is that you will minus the power, the first power from the second power. So we have 10 raised to power 9 divided by 10 raised to power 6. That will be 10 raised to power 9 minus 6. And my answer will be 10 raised to power 3. Then another example on this, that is when they are not having the same base. They have 22n raised to power 7 divided by 2n raised to power 3. Now if you look at this second example, you discover that it looks exactly like the other subsequent law under the division law of indices. So you will discover that 22 and 2, they are two different numbers. So what do we do? According to the set, you are dividing the base. So I will say 22 divided by 2, then n, that's 7 minus 3. So 22 divided by 2 will give me 11. N 7 minus 3 will give me 4. So this is the final answer. So we have come to the end of today's lesson. If you are new to our YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel and remember to press the notification button to know when we post our next video.